Hi, friends. Today I'm going to read to you The Rise and Fall of the Telegraph System. The Telegraph System, the Rise of Long Distance Communication. The telegraph system was one of the first inventions that made it impossible for long distance communication. Developed between the 1830s and the 1840s by Samuel Morse and other inventors, the telegraph sent electrical signals over a wire laid between stations. The communication system that was sent across the electrical wires was a series of dots and dashes. The sets of dots and dashes were assigned a letter of the alphabet and allowed for simple transmission of messages across telegraph lines. The code of dashes and dots is known as the Morse code. The sender pushed the operator key down to complete the electric circuit of the battery. This connection sent the electric signal across a wire to a receiver at the other end. All the system needed was a key, a battery, wire, and a line of poles between the stations for the wire and a receiver. Both the sender and the receiver must be familiar with the Morse code to be able to communicate. The first system was set up between Washington, D.C. and Baltimore, Maryland. On May 24, 1844, Morse sent the first message by telegraph to his friend and inventor Alfred Vail. The telegraph system rapidly spread across America with the development of a connected system of telegraph stations by Western Union Company. Quickly, it became apparent that the operators were able to hear and understand the code just by listening to the clicking of the receiver, and the receiver was redesigned to create louder and clearer clicking or beeping sound. Telegraph systems spread across North America and Europe. Communication systems changed rapidly. After scientists and engineers discovered the use of electricity to communicate over long distances, communication systems grew rapidly. By the end of the 1800s, new technologies were invented, many of them based on the same ideas first developed by the telegraph system. In time, the new technology would replace the telegraph, and the use of the telegraph would decrease. The telegraph was replaced by the telephone in 1876, the radio in 1901, and television in 1923. Today, we enjoy the uses of fax machines, cellular phones, and the internet. The telegraph was a turning point in the communication systems we use today. Thanks for listening.